What foods should I not meal prep?
Avoid or be cautious with highly perishable raw seafood and sushi-grade fish, fresh salads and pre-cut leafy greens, soft cheeses, mayonnaise-based salads, cooked rice and pasta left warm, fried foods that should stay crispy, quick browning fruits like avocado, whole worn or long-stored hard-boiled eggs, and high-water low-acid foods such as cut melon or stews. Each risks spoilage, toxins, or texture loss. Refrigerate at or below 4 degrees Celsius. Follow the 2-hour rule, or 1 hour if above 32 degrees Celsius, and use most cooked meals within 3 to 4 days. Freeze for longer storage. Pregnant people, infants, the elderly, and immunocompromised people should take stricter precautions. When in doubt, toss it. For details, consult USDA, FDA, and CDC food safety guidance.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.